Hello, today we are going to explore how to remove background photos from website for free. First, select your photos and copy it into the appropriate size as shown here. You can see we are copying this photo. Go to the save and now save your photo. Then enter background remover into the Google and select remove background from image for free. You can see here at the top of the bottom. And click upload an image. Then upload a previously caught image here to see the magic. Ta-da! I see the magic here. And download this photo for free. Then copy your background remover image, photos and the previously caught image into the Microsoft Word. Click on this image on the right to see the wrap this button. Then click into the front in front of the text again to see the difference. The photos that is removed in the background can be used anywhere, while the image that is left behind cannot be